Hold on to your frying pans, folks, because we're about to embark on an egg venture like no other. These little wonders aren't just for breakfast anymore, they can be enjoyed at any time of the day. Oh no, they're the culinary chameleons of the food world, ready to transform into a symphony of flavors and textures. Get ready to discover the incredible edible egg in all its glory. Let's be honest, I'm a bit egg-obsessed. My fascination with eggs goes beyond just their taste. It's about their history, their role in different cultures, and their sheer versatility in the kitchen. From the moment I cracked my first shell as a young lad, I was hooked. I remember standing on a stool barely tall enough to reach the counter and feeling a sense of accomplishment as I made my first scrambled eggs. Their simplicity, their versatility, their pure deliciousness. It's a love affair that's lasted a lifetime. Whether it's a simple boiled egg or an elaborate quiche, eggs have a way of making every dish special. And let me tell you, there's an egg dish out there for everyone, no matter your taste or skill level. From the classic sunny side up to the sophisticated eggs Benedict, the possibilities are endless. Did you know a single chicken can lay over 300 eggs a year? That's almost one egg a day. It's amazing to think about the abundance and the effort these little creatures put into providing us with such a staple food. That's a lot of omelets. And speaking of omelets, have you ever tried experimenting with different fillings? From cheese and ham to spinach and mushrooms, the combinations are endless and always delicious. But, seriously, eggs are nutritional powerhouses packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals. They are one of the few foods that contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein source. They're like the superheroes of the breakfast table, fueling you up for whatever the day throws your way. Whether you're having them for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, eggs are always a good idea. So here's to the incredible edible egg, my lifelong culinary companion. Now let's talk about the fun part, cooking these beauties. Eggs are one of the most versatile ingredients in the kitchen, and they can be transformed into a myriad of delicious dishes. Scrambled, fried, poached, baked. The possibilities are endless. Each method brings out a unique texture and flavor, making eggs a staple in many cuisines around the world. Whip up a fluffy omelet bursting with fresh veggies for a satisfying breakfast. You can add cheese, herbs, and even meats to customize it to your taste. Or how about a perfectly poached egg nestled on avocado toast for a trendy brunch? It's a simple yet elegant dish that never fails to impress. And don't even get me started on the joys of a runny yolk dipping into, well, pretty much anything. Whether it's toast, salad, or a savory sauce, that golden yolk adds a rich, creamy element. Remember that time I tried to make a towering croquet madame and it ended up resembling a deflated soufflé? It was a hilarious disaster, but it tasted amazing nonetheless. We all have our kitchen mishaps, but that's part of the fun. Cooking is an adventure, and sometimes the best memories come from those unexpected moments. Eggs are also incredibly forgiving, so don't be afraid to experiment. Try new recipes, mix different ingredients, and see what you come up with. You might just discover a new favorite dish. From gourmet dishes to simple home-cooked meals, eggs can elevate any dish. Their versatility and nutritional value make them a must-have in every kitchen. So whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, embrace the endless possibilities that eggs offer. Celebrate good taste and nutrition with every egg you crack, cook, and enjoy. I want to hear from you. What are your favorite ways to cook eggs? Do you have a special technique for the perfect scramble? Or maybe a secret ingredient that makes your omelet stand out? Share your go-to recipes, funny cooking stories, or any excellent discoveries you've made. Whether it's a family tradition or a new experiment, we want to know. Let's create a cracking community of egg enthusiasts. Imagine a place where we can exchange tips, tricks, and delicious recipes. Remember, life is too short for boring breakfasts. Spice up your mornings with some egg-citing dishes that will make you look forward to getting out of bed. So grab some eggs, get creative in the kitchen, and let's get cooking. Share your egg ventures with us and inspire others to do the same. Together we can make every meal an egg-extraordinary experience.